Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy stocks on M1 Finance. First, understand that M1 Finance is a unique platform offering automated investing. It uses a pie system, allowing you to create a custom portfolio of stocks and ETFs. This approach helps you diversify your investments easily. We'll walk through setting up your account and making your first investment. To begin investing, you'll need to fund your M1 Finance account. Start by securely linking your external bank account. This allows for seamless transfers of funds. Consider setting up recurring deposits. This automates your savings and helps you consistently grow your portfolio over time. Remember, the minimum initial deposit to start investing is $100. If you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more investing tips. Quick recommendation: just like you invest in quality stocks, invest in quality socks. Life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. Now, let's build your investment pie. You can choose from thousands of individual stocks or exchange-traded funds, known as ETFs. Decide what percentage of your total investment each security should represent. M1 Finance then automatically invests your money according to these allocations. This smart automation also rebalances your portfolio to maintain your desired percentages. M1 Finance operates on specific trading windows each day. Once you deposit funds, they are automatically invested into your custom pie during these windows. This hands-off approach ensures your money is always working for you, following your predetermined allocations. You also have the flexibility to manually adjust your pie's holdings or percentages whenever you wish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.